shucks. Well, I was answering an ad on Kijiji. The guy had a tractor seat on sale. He wanted 20 bucks for it. It says brand new. So I messaged him about it and didn't hear anything back for like a month. And he just messaged me, and I guess his email was everything was going to his junk folder. So he messaged me up. He says, yeah, he still has it. So we're texting back and forth about it. Well, I just asked him if he had a tractor to go with it. Apparently he has two, and they both run. And he's just by the seat, get the tractors too. Okay, let's go get them. And we're heading out to Corbeil there today to go and pick up the tractors and the seat. In the truck. Oh, my truck. The truck is up. Sorry, the wife's truck. I know, you guys keep bugging me. I thought it's for the wife. I thought it's for the wife. It is. Once her car sells, then I'll go back to driving a piece of shit. You gotta love this, eh? Best finds are always out in the middle of nowhere. I looked at a Jeep out here one year. Piece of crap. Alrighty, well here we go. Here's number one. I think I'm building up a bit of a horde here. Oh, you're just jumping it?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but that is cool. Okay, well let's see if I get hurt. I'm gonna hand the camera over here. Got a little cameraman going here.
Just a little hand trigger. That was my plan. No. Simply just, well, sometimes it does. Sometimes it dies, sometimes it doesn't.
That's awesome, man. What a neat little thing.
It does serious catwalks too.
As we do the long walk through the bush here, we're almost where the tractor is. We're gonna pull her out. It's not me that's gonna be playing around with this tractor. My buddy Dan's gonna be playing around with it. Who knows? Maybe we'll get some future romping vids with Dan and me. Oh my goodness, that's gonna be a fucking loud bitch.
Fire's good for ratings, you know.
It really, yeah.
It's shooting flames, I like that.
Yes, people, I do believe we've seen a few flames in there. Back her up, back her up. Oh. Sorry, this is a little bit comical watching. Okay.
People are gonna laugh their ass off at this one.
Metal.
Not much. You probably can. Okay, now I can get.
And here's the underneath.
Chainsaws are small.
Hey, I wonder if I can weld that solid. Or did you?
No, I haven't done that yet.
I wonder if I can weld it.
I bet you can.
There you go, guys. Anybody know if I can weld that solid? Let me know. So yeah, there we go. We got the one loaded. You know what? I kind of missed Smokey for that. Smokey had the long box. This one's only got the short box in it. So unfortunately, I could only bring one back with me. But good news, my buddy Dan's going to be taking the other mower. So I'm going to go back into town. We're going to pick him up. We're going to come back out. We're going to pick up the other one. And I don't know. See what he can get done with that one. Hopefully we can get some pretty cool videos done this year with those. So here we are over at Dan's place. YouTube user Sir Blumpkin. So he's going to be buying. Oh, I'm getting wet here. Damn sprinkler. Dan is the guy who's going to be picking up the other lawnmower. So I think we should all work really hard, really hard, and convince him to start putting up videos as he modifies his lawn tractor. Knowing Dan, he'll come up with a lot of creative ways to do some pretty wild stuff to it. So
We'll see.
there you go. What do you think, guys? Sir Blumpkin. Okay, so here we go again. We are heading back out to Corbeil. We're out on Deerland Road currently in the Ford. Whoa. Yeah, check this out. So what's the deal on this? Volvo engine in your Chevette. Turboed Volvo engine. Correct?
That's correct.
There's the turbo. Volvo engine. Fiero front end?
Basically, yeah.
What's in the rear?
Volvo 240.
Volvo 2. See, that's awesome as hell. Cool, man.
Can I sit on this Rex?
It's not mine.
Huh?
Hold on.
Have you shooting specs?
Yeah, this thing here.
Oh, neat.
How's that? So, turns out, this guy here is a YouTuber.
Uh-oh.
Hey, what's the channel, man?
That's BAUB 454.
Sweet. Well, it's a good thing I didn't edit my video yet. I just got a text message from the guy I got that mower from last night, asking if I knew anywhere I could get hold of some chainsaws. So, well, just so happens I got 3 here. Need a little bit of work, but you know what? He's pretty cool to give me the mower. He can have the chainsaws. Why not, right? Cool. So he should be here in a second. I think he's coming down the road now. Here's the saws. We got a home light. We got a farm saw. How's that guy? Another home light. There you go. So yeah, this guy here, carburetor needs cleaning. That I know. These guys, the recoils are locked out, I guess. So I don't know. Oh, he can fuck with them now.